Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance, welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another one of our essential oil breakdowns. Today we have a truly special oil in store for us today, not just because almost everyone loves it, but because if you're looking for bang for your buck in the essential oil world, you will find very few oils more worthy than lavender. This fan and aromatherapy favorite has been around for such a long time, it's almost synonymous with aromatherapy at this point, and you'll see why in a little bit here. Before we get on to its breakdown, however, always consult your doctor before use. Just because it's been routinely one of the safest oils doesn't mean you should be taking unnecessary risks, so please consult your local physician. That being said, let's dive right into its profile here. Its scent is most commonly described as having a floral, herbaceous, sweet, and slightly woody aroma. Under uses, of which there are many, you will see acne, allergies, anxiety, asthma, athlete's foot, bruises, burns, chickenpox, colics, cuts, cysts, depression, dermatitis, dysmenorrhea, earache, flatulence, headache, hypertension, insect bites, insect repellent, itching, labor pains, migraine, oily skin, rheumatism, scabies, scars, sores, sprains, strains, stress, stretch marks, vertigo, and whooping cough. My goodness, I hope I did good there, and under method of extractions, you'll see steam distilled. Blends well with Ylang, Geranium, blend of rose, sandalwood, lemon, orange, bergamot, grapefruit, German chamomile, and Roman chamomile. Please do check out the playlist for all those videos as well. And under notes, you'll see use with a carrier oil, which is always great advice to give, especially at those higher concentrations. Ultimately, the amount of uses speaks for itself. It is a truly great and infamous essential oil, and it usually clocks in around the $20 mark, $25, depending on where you get it from, but overall incredibly cost effective. Now let's dive into its history here. English lavender is commonly grown as an ornamental plant. It is popular for its colorful flowers, its fragrance, and its ability to survive with low water consumption. The flowers and leaves are used as a herbal medicine, either in the form of lavender oil or as a herbal tea. The flowers are also used as a culinary herb, most often as part of the North American version of the French herb blend called Herbe de Provence. Very interesting stuff. It's been around for a long time. We've been using it more or less since antiquity, and it doesn't show any signs of wavering. Fact of the matter is lavender is really easy to grow. It's one of those things where if you kill it, you should probably give up gardening in my experience, but ultimately it's found just about anywhere. Now let's do a quick DIY recipe. This one is super easy. It is just a soothing migraine support oil, and it is 1 tablespoon of jojoba carrier oil and 1 drop of lavender. That's all it is. Super sweet, super easy. Combine lavender with the carrier oil, massage into your neck and shoulders for a quick relieving experience that may help ease your mind and clear the senses. It's super stuff. It's a great super potent oil. However, its fragrance, I don't find it to be over dominating at all. So, I mean, you can kind of get away with quite a bit with lavender. That being said, let me know what you think down beneath in the comments section. Mention any thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns you may have, and of course any recipes as well. If you're running low on lavender, or if you'd like to get some if you don't already own some, please do check out Rocky Mountain Oil down beneath in the description. And as always, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and may all of your future endeavors smell divine.